Good morning all, we are in Slough here with this Range Rover Sport 2007 model. A couple of weeks ago it had an EGR valve replacement. Whilst doing so, the mechanic recommended that he got the engine cleaned out because there was a lot of carbon in it. This is quite normal. Our perfect recommendation is that you'll actually try an engine carbon clean to clean the system out before you replace an EGR, because in some instances it will stop the requirement for an EGR valve replacement, but also it's a good idea to have a clean engine to put a new EGR valve on so that it doesn't get clogged up again. This gentleman's, however, first thing he knew about it was when the mechanic told him, so this is a perfect scenario. We're out to him today doing a 3-stage carbon clean, having done a diagnostic, giving it a clean bill of health. Our 3-stage service: chemical cleaning to get rid of the oily gunk that builds up around the EGR and all the pipe work and the turbo, etc. Our injector cleaner, just to basically clean the injector tips up, making sure good spray pattern on the injectors so that you get a good clean combustion. And our hydrogen cleaning machine that basically pulses hydrogen into the air, through the air intake and burns off the carbon. This process takes about 45 minutes. Price, including us coming out to you, is £149.99. We cover most of the UK, and you can find your local technician at carbon-cleaning.co.uk. Have a great day, everyone.